Hello students, we are going to discuss the preparation of aliphatic and aromatic ketones. Aliphatic and aromatic ketones. Preparation of aliphatic ketones. Preparation of aliphatic ketones. Ketones can be prepared by the action of acid chloride with dialkyl cadmium. The example of acid chloride, acetyl chloride. The 2 moles of acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl, acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride plus Cl, C double bond O, CH3. The 2 moles of acetyl chloride react with the dialkyl cadmium. Example, dimethyl cadmium, Cd, CH3, CH3. The 2 moles of acetyl chloride react with the dimethyl cadmium. The cadmium chloride is relieved. So, the 2 molecules of acetyl chloride react with dimethyl cadmium to give cadmium chloride and CH3CO, CH3 acetones. 2 moles of acetone, CH3. 2 moles of acetone plus cadmium chloride. You write? The next, preparation of aromatic ketones. Preparation of aromatic ketones. The very important methods, Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts benzoylations. The preparation of aromatic ketones. Preparation of aromatic ketones. The one method, Friedel-Crafts acetylation. The preparation of acetophenone. The another one method, the preparation of benzylation. The preparation of benzoylations. Okay, benzophenone preparations. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation, acetylation. In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, the acetylation of benzene takes place with the formation of acetophenone. It is an aromatic electrophilic. It is an aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. The Lewis acid aluminum chloride AlCl3. The Lewis acid aluminum chloride generate the electrophile from acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl. The Cl goes here to form CH3CO plus electrophile plus AlCl4 minus aluminum tetrachloride ion. Correct? The electrophile, when electrophile attacks benzene, the benzene CH3CO plus electrophile and AlCl4 minus, the electrophile attacks with the benzene to give acetophenone. CO CH3 and HCl plus AlCl3. Right? In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, the acetylation of benzene. Acetylation of benzene takes place with the formation of acetophenone. Acetophenone. It is an aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophile, the aromatic benzene. The aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, the Lewis acid aluminum chloride generate the electrophile from acetyl chloride. The electrophile is the acetyl cation. Acetyl cation, right? The next one, Friedel-Crafts benzoylation. The benzoylation of benzene takes place in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride as a catalyst. The benzoyl cation is the electrophile. The Lewis acid aluminum chloride react with benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride, right, to give the electrophile benzoyl cation. Electrophile benzoyl cation plus AlCl4 minus. The when electrophiles attacks benzene C6H5CO plus AlCl4 minus, the electrophile when attacks to give benzophenone COC6H5 plus HCl and AlCl3, benzophenone. Physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Physical state. A formaldehyde is a gas at room temperature. Formaldehyde is a gas at room temperature, and acetaldehyde is a volatile liquid. All other aldehydes and ketones up to C11 are colorless liquids, while the higher ones are solids. The second physical property is dipole moment. The carbonyl group C double bond O. The carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones contains a double bond between carbon and oxygen. The double bond between carbon and oxygen. Are you right? The carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones contain a double bond between carbon and oxygen. Okay, the oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. The oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. It attracts the shared pair of electrons, which makes the carbonyl group as polar, del minus, del plus, which makes the carbonyl group as polar, and hence aldehydes and ketones have high dipole moments. Okay, the next physical property is solubility. The lower member of aldehydes, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone. The lower member of aldehydes and ketones like formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetones are miscible with water in all proportions because they form hydrogen bond with water. Ketone C double bond O. The high dipole moment is present. The dipole interaction is breaking in the presence of water molecules due to intermolecular hydrogen bond formed with ketone and water molecules. The hydrogen water del 2 minus del plus and del plus. Okay, right? The del minus and del plus. The intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed between water molecules and ketones. The lower members of aldehydes and ketones like formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetones are miscible with water in all proportions because they form hydrogen bond with the water. The solubility of aldehydes and ketones decreases rapidly on increasing the length of alkyl chain. Dipropyl ketone, pentanone and etc. So the solubility of carbonyl compounds decreases with the increase in the molecular mass because with the increase in the length of carbon chain, the capacity of carbonyl group to form hydrogen bond with water decreases. You right? The next physical property is boiling point. The very important physical property is boiling points. Aldehydes and ketones have relatively high boiling point as compared to hydrocarbons and ethers. Hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular mass. It is due to the weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones arising out of the dipole-dipole interaction. The dipole-dipole interaction is present in aldehydes and keto group. The all carbonyl group involved in dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole interaction. The negative side, the positive side attract towards itself. Dipole-dipole interaction presents in aldehyde and ketones and absence in hydrocarbons and ethers. Are you right? So aldehydes and ketones have relatively high boiling point as compared to hydrocarbons and ethers. Example, the hydrocarbon pentane. Hydrocarbon pentane, molecular mass 72, boiling point 309 Kelvin. The same molecular mass having aldehyde, butanol, molecular mass 72 but boiling point 349 Kelvin due to dipole-dipole interactions. To write, pentane 2-one, molecular mass 72, boiling point 353. So aldehydes and ketones have relatively high boiling point as compared to hydrocarbons and ethers. But thus dipole-dipole interaction are weaker than intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So dipole-dipole interactions are weaker than intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The boiling point of aldehyde and ketones are much lower than those of corresponding alcohols and carboxylic acid, which possess intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The example, alcohol RCH2OH, the highly electronegativity oxygen, the electron pair attracts towards itself, del minus, del plus. Same alcohol, del plus, del minus, the intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. The dimer of intermolecular hydrogen bond presents in the carboxylic acids RC double bond OH. The dimer intermolecular hydrogen bond. So the butanol. The butanol molecular formula 74, boiling point 391. Alright, the boiling point of aldehyde and ketones are much lower than those of corresponding alcohols and carboxylic acid. The corresponding aldehyde molecular mass butanol 72, boiling point 349 Kelvin. But the same molecular mass having butanol molecular mass 74, boiling point 391. And propanoic acid, molecular mass 74, but boiling point 414 Kelvin. Right, the dimer of intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. Are you right? So they have boiling points higher than hydrocarbons due to polar nature of carbonyl group. Right? They have boiling points higher than hydrocarbons due to polar nature of carbonyl group and lower than alcohols in absence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. In aldehyde and ketones, the alcohol and carboxylic acid having intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, right.